Hey, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you have not been here before, my name is Ayla, also known as AKA. Today I have another exciting video. One of my last, or maybe my last video I posted was a brand review and details of Hissy Fit clothing. If you haven't seen it already, go and watch it. I'll put a little link. If you haven't seen it, please go watch it already. Today I bought something else from them. This is not a brand review and details because I've already gone through about the brand, about what they are, the sustainability of it and everything like that. I did buy another package from them. Now this is one of their mystery packs. I think I mentioned it briefly in the Hissy Fit brand review and details video, but they basically style a pack and it's a top, a bottoms and an accessory, and it's basically it's a top, it's a bottom and it's an accessory, and you don't get a choice, but they have different mystery packs. So they have like a darks one, neutrals, pastels. I think they had a neon one, or they might have a neon one, I'm not really too sure, but they usually sell out really quickly. I wanted to get my hands on one for ages. It's only £40, which I would say for 3 items is not bad at all, and they're obviously very well made from an amazing sustainable brand. So I'm excited. I ordered the pastel mystery pack, and I did put in my reference that there was a specific thing that I wanted. Now I know it's a mystery pack, I know you're not supposed to ask for things, but if I get the specific thing I'll be so happy, because I think some of the pieces from the pastel mystery pack won't really suit me, so I'll have to just see what I get basically. So the things that I asked for, not asked for, you get to put in the description like your preferences. So I prefer hats instead of bags. I prefer, which it definitely doesn't feel like there's a bag in here, but maybe, I'm not really too sure. I said I prefer hats over bags. I said I prefer like the mint green set that she has, because I really like that one. I literally sound so dead, I'm so sorry. So I'm very excited. They had like a purple or like pink fluffy bucket hat, which is like my black one that I have, that I'm obsessed with, so I would be so happy if I got that. And if I got the mint pastel velour set, I would be so happy as well. But we have to see. I'm so excited. I literally haven't opened this. I got it yesterday and I had to have it sitting in my room staring at me until today. So I'm so excited. I'm gonna just open it right up and we're gonna see what I got in the mystery pack. Stop! Oh my god, stop it! Okay, yeah. What is that? I don't know what that is. Okay, so I got what I wanted. I got the pastel. I got the mint set. I'm going to open it in a second. I got what I wanted. I don't know what this is though. It's like, they had like a bright purple bucket hat, which was the one that I wanted, but I can't tell if this is a bucket hat or not. Oh yeah, it's a hat. It is a hat. This is bloody cute. Look at this. Oh my god, stop it. That is literally the cutest thing ever. It looks a bit high because I have like a high ponytail in, but oh my god. I love this. I love this. I think the bright purple one would have been a little bit more me. I'm not really a neutral gal, but this is still super cute and I'm so happy with it. I'm just going to wear it the rest of the video, you know, just like goes with the vibes. Doesn't really go with my top, but that's okay. We're just going to deal with it. Okay, I'm going to open the top first to show you. It's basically like a paste. I would say it's paisley. I don't know what the pattern is called, but it's like a green velour and it's like pastel mint green. This is so cute. This is the material up close. I wish you could see the colour properly. The colour like just really isn't. The colour just really isn't like coming through for you, but it's like a mint green and it is so stunning. It definitely looks like more green in real life. It looks like very light on the camera. But this is the top and it just has this black lace around the top. I'm so excited. I'm going to try this on for you in a second so that you can see. And then the pants, which are the matching material, are a flare, I'm pretty sure. So they're like tight at the top and then they just flare out at the bottom. So yes, they're just like the elastic waist, which is so nice. These are so well made. And then just a little flare at the bottom. This is so freaking cute. I'm going to try it all on for you now so you can see. I will be back. Okie dokie, so this is the set. This is the little hat that goes with it. It is so cute. Oh my god, you can just see the little material. I'm not gonna lie, I don't love the top just because it kind of like your boob, my boob starts here and then the top starts like here, but this is so cute. This would be so cute for like a festival. So basically these are like how they flare out. They kind of just like, they're not super flary, but they just kind of sit nicely on the heels. They are just so cute. And then of course I've got my little hat. I'll show you in the mirror here actually so you can see. It's just, I don't know, it's not, the set itself is just not 100% my style. I would definitely wear this to like a festival maybe. I would definitely wear the pants out if I could like wear a long t-shirt maybe down to here. I'm not a super big fan of the top. But I still think this is just like super cute. I just can't make up my mind. Love the hat. Wish it was purple, but that's okay. I'm picky, you know. I should have just, like, a mystery pack is honestly just not my vibe. I should have just been like, known that I like what I like, you know, but that's okay. I don't know, it's growing on me. It's growing on me. By the minute, it is growing on me. It is definitely growing on me by the minute. I'm not gonna lie, my boob is like popping out the side though. Not sure how I feel about that. But definitely something I would wear to like a party or something like that. I do love this hat though. This hat is just honestly such a vibe. Might even wear it today, to be honest. It's just so cute. I might wear the pants today too, to be honest. Yeah, just something about the top is just not sitting right, but I'm sure I can fix that just like across the chest area. But I definitely will wear this to a party or to something. Super cute. I do love it. Okay, I've decided I love it. Also, in other news, I am getting my outer upper sleeve finished in April, so only about 4 months to wait, and then I will have a half sleeve completed, which I'm so excited about. It's gonna look so sick. Okay, anyway, that is the end of today's video. I'm just gonna finish off here. Love the set. I am super happy now that I have sort of had a look at it for a while. I've decided I love it. The color actually looks really nice on my skin tone because I am super pale. But yes, I've decided I love it. Hissy Fit, they make great clothes. You should definitely go check them out. And they bring out mystery packs all the time, so I'm sure there will be many more to come. I did have to jump on the site at like 7 PM when they were released and like grab one that very second, because otherwise they would have sold out. But yes, I love it, I love it, I love it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it wasn't too exciting because it's just a little unboxing, but I hope you enjoyed it anyway. If you did, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!